floats into my bedroom, right through the wall. It glides past my dresser to the bedpost. I swear, I'm looking at a ghost. Nah, there's no such thing. It's not a ghost because there's no such thing. I can't be frightened of a globby green glow, 'cause I know there's no such thing. It picks up some playing cards and shuffles the pack. It goes to the kitchen. It fixes a snack. It plays the piano. It swings on the swing. It does a lot considering there's no such thing. Then it boots my computer as quick as you please. It floats on the keyboard. It presses some keys. What creature might you be? Comes up on the screen. I type in a human being. Suddenly, the room grows as icy as winter, and something prints out on the printer. No such thing. You can't be human, 'cause there's no such thing. Those human stories, they scare ghosts so. But we know there's no such thing. Now hold the phone. I'm really real. You're not. I am. I'm not. You're wrong, I cried. Alright, let's play a game of cards to decide. Okay, whoever wins the game, that one's real. Who types out? You got it. Now deal. I ask him for aces. He types out? Go fish. He asks me for sevens. I type out, you wish. Jacks? Sorry. Queens? No. Sixes? Twos? We play for an hour. And guess what? I lose. No such thing. Aha! You don't exist. There's no such thing. It made me crazy to be told where to go by something who's no such thing. The story now is over. The story is through. And some of you might even think this story is true. But there's no such thing. It didn't happen 'cause there's no such thing. I made the whole thing up, so I ought to know. And I know there's no such thing. There's no such thing.